It didn't feel like a school because I was used to just kind of the public school system and the way schools are supposed to look.
There's a lot of different academies that prepare people for multiple different things.
Like the physical space helps us understand that we are on like a next level.
You realize this is not high school. It's a learning environment that I get to maximize my potential.
It almost feels like a temple of education.
This is Francis Tuttle Technology Center, and this is our 4th campus in Edmond, Oklahoma. The great thing about our students is they choose to be here. So they said, I want to be an engineer. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a nurse. So they are ready to take on that challenge, and we're tasked with helping them get to that next level.
We have trade schools teaching you, for example, automotive. Then we also have our academies preparing you anything from engineering to possibly a career in the medical field.
Whenever people think of Francis Tuttle, they think of like the smart kids, but it's really just more about like hands-on experiences. And when we get to tell people about like what we do at Francis Tuttle, like they like get jealous.
Every space is a learning space, and that's what we tell our students in orientation. Every space is a learning space. So when they come in here, they literally will see students learning a number of ways in different ways.
Each space is designed with intent for its purpose. Here, we have all of these different collaboration spaces.
Students need to work with each other. They need to understand the value of teamwork. So it's great to have spaces that make that quite seamless. So we have chairs that are on wheels, desks on wheels. You can change the orientation of a classroom.
Like whatever we do, it's always collaborative. And so like everyone has to work together and talk together, and that also gets me really close to my peers, which I've made like the best friendships here.
There's so many windows and so much sunlight that gets in the rooms, and it's just kind of a stress-free environment. It's really awesome.
And so our furniture and spaces, it makes it easy for them to recognize what learning should look like.
It feels more like a cathedral of education because like, I'm ready to learn and teach today.
They say a rising tide raises all ships, so I want to be among the best. I don't want to let the team down. So that's kind of a camaraderie that builds just by being there.
I just want to make sure that I am able to take 100% advantage of everything that's given to me. And Francis Tuttle is just a great way for me to do that. I mean, like, what else is there to say?